6 weeks ago, I had a knee replacement. I'm 93.
One of the questions that I'll get asked about knee replacement is how old is too old for knee replacement? There's not really an easy answer for that. I think it really depends on the patient. Age is a number and physiology varies widely among patients. And so you can have some patients who are 90 and they're doing great and they could do great with a knee replacement. And you have somebody who's 75, but they have a lot of comorbidities and it's just too late because they don't have the margin, that physiologic margin to be able to withstand and to handle a knee replacement safely. The risks outweigh the benefits. As one example, I'm going to share with you right now. I have a 93-year-old lady who had a knee replacement and she did great. And I'll let you just hear from her at her 6-week follow-up. Okay, so tell me what surgery you had done and how long ago was it?
6 weeks ago, I had a knee replacement.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 93.
Okay, so you were hurting pretty bad before this, huh?
Yes.
Was your knee kind of going out to the side or was real knock-kneed?
I was knock-kneed.
Okay. Did you have trouble walking because of it?
Yes.
And so even though you're 93, we kind of talked about risks and benefits of doing a knee replacement and you said, I feel like I got to do it. Is that fair?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Was it hurting real bad when you were walking around and things like that?
Well, it was awkward.
Okay.
And it prevented, just if I had to get up and go somewhere, I'd think twice about it.
So we did a knee replacement. How was the surgery?
It was great.
Okay. Was it painful?
No.
Okay. How many days did you spend in the hospital? 2 days, and then did you go to rehab or go home?
Yeah.
Rehab?
Rehab.
For how long did you go there?
A week.
A little over a week. And now you're getting around better than you were prior to surgery?
Oh, much.
Okay.
And I'm doing the exercises that they're giving me.
Okay. Straighten that knee out as far as you can for me. Bend it. Yep. Now straighten it all the way out. Looks beautiful. You look great. Would you do it again if you had to do over again? Okay. Anything else we need to know? Would you tell somebody else considering it? Fair enough. Thank you, sweetie.
Okay.
You're a rock star.